Creating a poll on LinkedIn is a dynamic way to spark conversations, gather insights, and engage your network, all with just a few clicks. Whether you want feedback on a new idea, market research for your business, or simply to interact with your connections, LinkedIn polls are an effective tool to amplify your voice and learn from your audience. Famety is here to walk you through every step, ensuring your poll stands out and delivers results. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you're on your home feed, where you usually see updates from people and companies you follow. At the top of the feed, you'll find a box that says Start a Post. Click on it to begin. Here's where the magic starts. You'll see several options below the text box. Look for the one labeled Create a Poll. If you're using LinkedIn on mobile, tap the plus sign and choose Create a Poll from the menu. Once you select Create a Poll, a new window pops up, ready for you to craft your questions. The first field asks, "What's your question?" This is your opportunity to grab attention with a clear, engaging query. Think about what you want to learn from your audience, whether it's which social media platform drives the most engagement for your business, or what's the biggest challenge you face in remote work? Make your question concise and relevant. Next, it's time to provide the answer choices. LinkedIn allows you to add up to 4 options. Be sure your choices cover the spectrum of possible responses, but keep them simple and easy to understand. You want your audience to respond quickly, so avoid overly complicated or ambiguous options. After you've entered your question and answers, you'll need to select the duration of your poll. LinkedIn offers several choices, ranging from 1 day to 2 weeks. Consider how much time you want people to have to respond. If you're seeking immediate feedback, a shorter poll works well. For broader discussions or larger audiences, a longer poll might be better. Now comes the fun part: adding context. Above your poll, you can write a post to introduce it. Use this space to explain why you're asking the question or what you hope to achieve. Maybe you're collecting opinions for a new product launch or simply engaging your network. This introduction draws people in and encourages participation. Remember, the more energized and authentic your message, the more likely people are to interact. Ready to share? Before you hit post, decide who can see your poll. LinkedIn lets you choose between anyone on LinkedIn, just your connections, or members of a specific group. For maximum reach, anyone is the best choice. But if you want targeted feedback, select the most appropriate audience. Once you're satisfied, click Post. Your poll is now live. Watch as responses roll in, and don't forget to engage with your audience. Comment on answers, thank people for participating, and share insights as results become clear. Polls are not just about gathering numbers. They're a conversation starter. At Famety, we know that engagement is the key to social media success. Polls on LinkedIn help you build connections, understand trends, and show your audience you care about their opinions. For even more impact, share your poll in relevant groups, invite colleagues to participate, and amplify it across your other social media platforms. And if you want to supercharge your engagement, Famety offers a full suite of services, from boosting likes and shares to growing your follower base, all designed to elevate your social media presence. So, get creative, stay energized, and make your LinkedIn poll a highlight of your professional journey. With Famety by your side, your next poll could be the spark that ignites powerful conversations and drives your brand forward.